Before a retired Titan can rest, we must first master the unforgiving terrain of the Pacific coastline. Every millimeter is calculated to ensure the 200-ton airframe sits perfectly level against the ocean winds.
We begin by clearing 3 acres of brush and unstable limestone to reach the bedrock. Hydraulic power meets geological resistance as we fight through layers of prehistoric sediment. To anchor a Boeing 737 to a cliff, we must knit the foundation directly into the Earth's crust. These boreholes will house the high-tensile steel tendons that prevent the hotel from shifting during a storm. A constant logistical dance ensures the site remains clear for the massive components yet to arrive.
Precision manual labor refines what the heavy machines leave behind. The excavation reaches its terminal depth, revealing the solid limestone base we've been searching for. Verification of the load-bearing capacity is the final green light before the first drop of concrete. Managing tropical runoff is vital to prevent the cliff from eroding beneath our guests. A stable subbase is the silent hero of any megastructure. This project never sleeps, as the arrival window for the aircraft is dictated by strict coastal tides. Every wire and pipe that will power the jet must be buried deep within the foundation today.
The first major milestone approaches: the sealing of the Earth. This blinding layer protects the structural steel from the corrosive salts of the ocean air. Leveling the site creates the stage for the engineering marvel that follows. Adjusting our tools on the fly is the only way to stay on schedule against the coastal rock. Phase 1 is complete. The chaos of the Earth has been tamed into a disciplined workspace. We are now ready to build the skeleton that will hold 200 tons of aerospace engineering.
Tens of thousands of these hand-tied nodes create a flexible, unbreakable web of steel.
This cage will absorb the immense vibrations and winds common to this high-altitude perch. There is zero margin for error when aligning the primary support pillars. From above, the scale of the airplane hotel footprint finally becomes clear. The preparation is over. It's time to pour the heart of the foundation.
A continuous pour begins, requiring 16 hours of non-stop coordination. This high-density mix is infused with fiberglass for maximum tensile strength. Eliminating air pockets ensures the foundation won't crack under the jet's concentrated weight.
Human precision guides the machine's raw power to create a perfect finish.
Friction and pressure create a surface as smooth as the fuselage that will soon sit upon it. Chemical reactions within the slab create heat, hardening the liquid into artificial stone. These bolts are the only things that will hold the aircraft to the Earth during a hurricane.
With the ground secured, we now gain the vertical advantage. This machine will be the lifter of worlds for the next 6 months.
We aren't just building a landing pad, we are building a world-class terminal.
Torque settings are checked and double-checked to meet aerospace-grade safety standards.
Every element must serve 2 purposes: luxury for the guest and ballast for the site. High-end finishes begin at the ground level, setting the tone for the sleep inside a jet experience. A black, rubberized membrane is applied to ensure the foundation remains bone dry for a century. Heat welding the joints creates a barrier that even the ocean spray cannot penetrate.
The height of the pillars is designed to give the jet the appearance of being in mid-flight.
If these are off by even a fraction of a degree, the wings will not sit level.
These bespoke cradles are engineered to distribute the aircraft's weight without crushing the thin aluminum skin.
The interface between building and plane is where the most complex engineering happens. The schedule is relentless. We work through the elements to meet the delivery date. The jet's original 400 Hz power systems must be converted to standard shore power. This deck will provide guests with their first breathtaking view of the jet suspended in the air. Every detail is refined to bridge the gap between construction site and luxury hotel. The stage is set. The Earth is ready to receive its metallic guest.
The Boeing 737 has arrived. Transporting a 30-meter fuselage through coastal hairpins is a feat of logistical gymnastics.
48 independently steered wheels ensure the jet doesn't tip on the uneven terrain.
Tandem lifting is the most dangerous phase of the entire construction process.
We must lift from the jet's structural skeleton, not its fragile outer skin.
Gravity fights back as 40 tons of aluminum take to the air one last time.
Communication is key. One wrong move could result in a catastrophic collapse.
Touchdown, the Boeing 737 finds its permanent home on the cliffside. We use lasers to ensure the cabin floor is perfectly horizontal for guest comfort.
Reassembling the wings is like putting together the world's largest, heaviest puzzle. These pins are designed to withstand the forces of flight. Here, they provide ultimate stability. The silhouette of the airplane hotel is finally etched against the horizon.
We must remove years of oxidation to prepare the canvas for its new identity.
To achieve a mirror-like finish, we must control every particle of dust in the air.
We use aviation-grade polyurethane paint to resist the harsh, salty sea air. The transformation from transport to transformation begins from the inside out. Creating a luxury suite requires bypassing the jet's original design constraints. Wood and leather replace plastic and fabric to elevate the sensory experience. Every hotel luxury, from rainfall showers to heated floors, must be integrated into the fuselage. The wing is reinforced from below to support a lounge area and a private hot tub.
Guests will enjoy panoramic ocean views through the same glass pilots once used to navigate the globe. The Megajet has been reborn as a beacon of luxury. This isn't just an entrance, it's a transition from the Earth to the sky.
Every surface the guest touches must be flawless.
The Titan breathes again. We blend the industrial foundation back into the natural beauty of the cliff.
Nature returns to reclaim the edges of our construction. The reflection of the fuselage in the pool creates a stunning visual illusion of double flight. The branding is the final seal of quality on this multi-million-dollar venture.
Sleep where captains once sat, staring into the infinite horizon.
We have redefined the meaning of first class. Every convenience of a five-star resort is packed into this aerodynamic shell.
Ambient lighting creates an atmosphere of futuristic tranquility.
The ultimate sunset viewing platform, 100 meters above the crashing surf.
Safety remains the foundation of our luxury. The builders depart, leaving behind a new landmark. The final dust of construction is removed. A masterpiece of engineering, standing defiant against the elements.
This jet will never fly again, but it has never looked more alive. The doors are ready to open. Your boarding pass is now a room key. We have turned a retired machine into a timeless experience. A heartbeat in the dark.
Engineering meets imagination at the edge of the world. Respecting the history of the aircraft while building its future.
500 tons of concrete, 40 tons of aluminum, and 20,000 man-hours of labor. Welcome to the world's most exclusive flight.
From the Earth to the sky to the ultimate rest.
Sweet dreams inside the megajet.
Construction complete. Experience eternal.